maybe teach their moms and dads, what are some things that everybody can do to help Mother Earth? What can you do? Yes. Excellent. Pick up trash. Now we're always for safety. So of course you might ask Dad for one of his heavier leather gloves. You know, have your little bag if you ever run into a needle. Don't touch the needle. Tell an adult they really need to call the police and that type of thing. But pick up trash is so awesome. What else can you do? Don't litter to begin with. I knew the kids would help me out. That is great. Now I have a trick question. If I was eating an apple, say I was on a ride, and I was eating an apple and it was all done, and I rolled down my window and I heaved it out the window to the side, would that be okay? No. Why? It's biodegradable. Not only could it choke, it could get hit by a car. So absolutely excellent. What else can we do?
We can help the environment and donate to the people that are protecting the animals.
You are awesome. Give this girl a round of applause. Come on up here. Yes. You are wonderful. I love that. The kids really are neat. Now, how many of you like trees? Love trees. Trees do, we've now come up with a list of 10 things, but we whittle it down to a big major 5. Who knows what trees do? And I have to make my disclaimer. Please do not say furniture, pencils, paper, houses, or whatever. The tree still has to be alive. Yes.
They help keep environments with the owls, eagles, and those endangered birds.
That's right, it gives them homes. So if I was an endangered bird or a big bird or a squirrel, I would love a tree. Number 1. What else does it do? Yes. You are so awesome. We all like to breathe, don't we? Kind of a little habit. Yes. So we like oxygen. Very, very good. What else? We're coming up on spring. Soon it will be 80. What did we do for trees? Yes. Oh, yes. Shade. So how cool is that? Okay, we have 2 more. One is a little harder. Trees stand up. Their roots go into the ground. Hang on to Mother Earth. So it cannot go anywhere. So they help stop erosion. And then the one final thing, if I was ever lost with trees, I would want to be lost in an orchard. Why would I want to be lost in an orchard? Because I'll always have food. You are right. So, before we get on to our first guest, which Rosalind will bring out, we want to review a couple of things. We have got newsletters over here, so please feel free to grab one. We go all over